Do you have a flashlight addiction? Do you want a really good quality, everyday carry, rock solid flashlight? I do too. I keep changing, and this is the new X4 from WUBEN, which has some really cool new advantages. So while I open it up and show it to you, let me talk to you about the first big one. This bad boy, and at 1500 lumens max, you still get a 3-hour battery life. And if you put it into mild mode, it will go over 285 hours. So if you're going camping for 10 days in Alaska when it's dark 24 hours a day, you could sit in your tent for 10 days, have mild lighting, and still have power to spare with this thing. That's kind of crazy, right? Let me show it to you. Packaging is really cool, and it's a smaller size than what you would expect for something with that kind of battery power. Oh man, this is so everyday carry perfection. Let me just show you this. Ladies, if you're looking for a gift for your guy, this is it right here. Oh, it's got a lock feature. All right, well, let me walk you through the features and then I'll go charge it and we'll take it out tonight so you can see what it actually looks like. All right, let me show you the features real quick and then we'll take it outside tonight and show you how it works at night. Obviously, a really nice clip for everyday carry use. Look how small it is compared to my hand for the kind of power and battery we have on this. So let's start here on the top. This is your main button as well as a dial so you could adjust appropriately. That is in lock mode. This is the side light mode using the side light here. And then it's controlled by press it once, toggles back and forth between the LEDs. Obviously you could go adjust all the way up to turbo mode, all the way down to like a Moonlight mode. And then you could switch it over to the LED, like the color LEDs like that. And then now this toggles between the colors. You could do different strobe effects with your LEDs, all kinds of different things. Then if we go to the main light in the front, so we could toggle it on. There you go, like that. I know it's going to be hard to see during the day, but you'll see at night. You can turn down the color. If you hit it twice, you go straight into turbo mode, turn it down. And then the next button forward is Moonlight mode. I know you can't even see that now, but it is actually on. And when you put it all the way forward like that, it exposes the USB-C for charging. This thing's so crazy cool. All right, here we are on a beautiful night with this WUBEN X4, and let's check it out in the dark. Let's see how it works. First setting. Okay, so this is the Moonlight setting here, so you can see this is what's going to last you for 285 hours. Let's throw it into turbo mode. Oh, wow. Oh, check that out in turbo mode. Even in turbo mode, this is good for 3 freaking hours. That is so cool. And then obviously you have the control adjusted anywhere between the moon mode and the turbo mode. So wild. All right, let's go to the next setting. Okay, so now we got the side LED lights, right? So we got blue. Ooh. Got blue. We could turn the dial. All right, let's do the side light here. Okay, so this is green. And we can turn the dial and adjust the color, right? Here we go, all the colors of the rainbow on the side in RGB, which obviously isn't so, it's a cute, fun thing, but it is more important when you put it in like an emergency mode so somebody can find you if you have an issue. How cool is that? All different kinds of flashing modes. And let's see if we can get the side light on. So this is moon mode. Again, 285 hours. Let's go crazy. Crank it all up to, whoa! Turbo crazy mode. Okay, this is good again for 3 hours. Check this whole, like we can light this whole area, right? This would light up your entire tent on the side of a little baby flashlight. How cool is this? So if you're looking for a flashlight with this kind of functionality, from super bright down to moon mode, anything in between, you got RGB colors, then you got the crazy 1500 lumens to see the dog. Okay, look, this is a big pool in a giant pool area. Actually, that is literally 60 feet across the pool there. How freaking crazy cool is this? Sunday, how cool is this? This is definitely something you want to get for yourself. All right, I'm going to finish this up on spooky turbo mode. This light is absolutely incredible. You should definitely get this for yourself. There's a link here or down below. Absolutely do. You cannot possibly go wrong with it. For an everyday carry, this thing is ridiculous. Just get it for yourself. If I've added some value here in terms of this conversation, please remember to like the video, follow the channel, Smash that hype feature if we're here on YouTube. If you have any thoughts, ideas, different ways you could use this, alternative products, I'll even listen to that. I'm going to be hard for you to get me to buy in because this thing has been so cool. But if you have any ideas, put them in the comments. Let's have a conversation about it. Overall, get this, can't go wrong. I hope this was helpful. I know it was very exciting for me to do. I am just crazy about this thing. This thing is ridiculous. All right, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.